Bragbury End Garden Group came about from an idea that we had about 3 years ago to take over a bit of land by Hertford Road shops, just turn it into something nice for the people to come and enjoy.
We've started off by sorting out a few rose beds and stuff, and then we progressed to putting trees and bushes in to what you see today.
We always welcome new members to come along and join us.
We've got a lot of young people as well, so we want to make sure that they're learning that, you know, we all have to do our little bit.
It's just built a sense of community now. When we first started, we did wonder whether the area would suffer from vandalism or, you know, whether all the work we were going to put in would work, but it has worked. People take care of it, and you say people enjoy it and people comment. And that's the best thing, is when somebody walks past and says, you know, what a great job you're doing, then you know, we must be doing something right. Once this garden was up and running, it was really only needed maintenance, so we found another site at the back of Oaks Cross Shops, Lismore, where the residents live in bungalows and all they get to look out on is the back of the shops.
After the success of the garden club at Bragbury End and Longmeadow, where they've done a fantastic job with the garden, we approached Doug and Matt about improving this area here.
We've taken over a little bit of woodland that we are clearing up. You know, unfortunately, not everybody goes to the tip and they put their stuff here. We've cleared it away, sorted the trees out. We've made a nice footpath.
We're clearing the woods so it's safer for kids and dogs.
Yeah.
Bringing the neighbours together. We met somebody that we hadn't met. She only lives 5 doors away. I've never spoken to her in 10 years. So it's been really, really good. So we had an action weekend that we had about 30 people across all the community come, all abilities, all ages, and we just really started working on it.
Yeah.
We've really enjoyed doing the gardening project, like playing with the dogs and socialising with other people that we know.
I come for therapy and learning about gardening.
Well, you're out in the fresh air, you're giving something back to the community. It's a very social event. We have teas, coffees, barbecues, and we learn quite a lot as well because we do have some expert gardeners among the group.
And we're all building together, so we're teamwork.
We're all saying if we all do our little bit, over the next couple of months, watch this space, because there'll be more and more stuff happening.